Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Chinese style tomato egg. Oil 2 tablespoon. Chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Pepper powder half tablespoon. Tomato ketchup half tablespoon. Oyster sauce half tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Water 1/4 cup. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Eggs 2. Beat. Mix everything nicely. Now it's ready to eat. Enjoy with white rice. If you want to lose weight, add protein, veggies and little bits of carb. Spring onions on top. I'm eating with cucumber. For fiber, add salad. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.